Question 6, select the correct answer. We're going to consider these two functions where it says using the graphing method, so we can use the graphing calculator or Desmos. What is the approximate solution or solutions of f of x equals g of x? So I'm going to go to y equals in the graphing calculator. Of course, you can use Desmos just as well. I'm going to first type in the f function. So that's 1 divided by 4, x raised to the fourth. Slow down the video if you need to. Need help finding all these buttons. Minus 2x squared plus 4. Go ahead and graph it just to see if we get the full graph in the window. It appears we do. It's a W-shaped graph. Go to y equals. We're going to scroll down to y2 and type in 2 second x squared gives us the square root button. X subtract 2. We're going to hit graph. And we can't tell exactly where these graphs are intersecting, but we can tell they do intersect. It looks like they intersect in 2 different spots, which makes sense because 3 of the 4 answer choices have 2 different answer solutions. But to get the intersection point, we're going to hit second trace, number 5. It's going to say first curve, so the little cursor is on the first curve, the W-shaped curve, what we have in Y1. So I'm going to hit enter. And then it says second curve, but I don't see the cursor. So I'm going to need to play around with this just a little bit. And as you can see, I'm still on that first curve. Sometimes if you get near that second curve and press the down button, yeah, it's going to get us close to the second curve, which is where we want to hit enter. It's going to say guess. We don't want to guess, but we're going to hit enter a third time. And we're going to get one of our intersection points of x equals 2.5. We really don't even need to do it again because we can see the other intersection point is positive 2. Another alternate way to get a solution when it's a whole number is we can look at the table. So go to second graph, and you'll notice when x is positive 2, what do we notice about both of the y columns? Not that they're 0 necessarily, but they're both the same number. Just so happens they're both 0. They could both be negative 5. This tells us when x equals 2, those two functions are equivalent. And remember, that's what we wanted. We wanted the x values that made those two functions equivalent. So this is our correct answer.